Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to unblock block websites on your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to unblock block websites on your Google Chrome browser, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, if you are using your mobile for the block websites, you just need to download one browser from Google Play Store, which is called Kiwi browser, KIWI. This is browser you need to download and you can unblock the block websites in this. If you are using laptop or desktop, for that you just need to open your Google Chrome, click on this three dot, you can see here extensions, click on visit Chrome web store. After that you can see here search bar. In this you need to type ultra surf security. You can see here this is the extension you need to download. Just click on this, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. You can see it has been added. After completion of this adding to Chrome, you just need to click on this three dot. You can see extension, click on manage extension, click on the details, scroll down, you can see pin to toolbar. You just enable this toggle. After that this extension will be visible here. You just need to click on that, click on this. You can see it's taking too much time. If in your case it appears, you just need to turn on that extension. You'll see the turn on and turn off option. You just need to turn on that extension. After that you can access the block websites on your Chrome browser. That's it guys. So in this way you can access block websites on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.